Tracking one market is already hard. Tracking many markets at the same time can get confusing and tiring. You switch tabs, split your screen, or use many screens. This can distract you and take your focus away from what matters most, making clear decisions. In this video, I show you how we approach this with our newest feature, the Trader's 8 Trend Stability Watchlist. You can track up to 10 assets at once, all in one view. No tab switching, no split screens. For each asset you see the current time frame, 2 higher time frames, the smoothing channel, and the final market state. Each row can only be green, trend is going up, red, trend is going down, gray, trend is unclear. All rows use the same logic. When the current time frame and one higher time frame move in the same direction, together with the smoothing channel, you get trend alignment. The market state then turns green or red. This is where trends often behave more clearly. Some people use it to adjust their risk, others use it to stay in trends longer. Markets are connected. Now you can see multiple assets at the same time. Less switching, more clarity, better focus. Open the settings, you can track up to 10 tickers and change them anytime. If you want fewer, just remove some. One important rule: keep your settings the same as your chart. If you use warning dots in slow and the smoothing channel in fast, use the same here. Otherwise, it won't match your chart. We hope this helps you save time, see the market more clearly, and focus on what matters. If you want a free demo, click the link in the description below. See you next time.